Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing 4 wigs from Princesswig.com, and I don't want to say the bar is set pretty high, but you know, I'm expecting to look like a princess. But first, if you guys are new, make sure to click subscribe down below because I make wig videos here and there. Other than that, I just have, you know, fun videos. At least I think they're fun. If you guys don't think they're fun, then you probably shouldn't subscribe. But yeah, let's try some wigs. Let's try on. This is actually my first brown wig that I've ever owned. The bar is pretty high. Oh my god, it's long. It's kind of like an ombre. So these are all lace front wigs, which if you don't know, lace front, that means that the hair is sewn in, which means it looks like it's a natural hairline instead of just like a line, you know, and you can actually cut it however you want, you know. So that is why lace front is amazing. I'm just going to go through and cut this to match my hair, and then we'll put it right on. Yes! Okay. I just finished brushing this out, and this is what we got. Look at this. It actually goes from like a dark brown, you see, to this lighter shade. Oh my god, it's nice. Whoa. Ooh, Hannah is brunette. Oh, ooh. So what I usually do if a wig does not look very realistic at the top, what people do is they will tweeze out the hairline and make a solid part. So that is definitely something I could do. I could cut it so it looks like it goes up and over, you know, instead of being like flat on my head. Let's see what it looks like with a hat on. This was me in high school. Why is this me? Ooh, who is she? Who is this brunette legend? This is gonna be me in 5 years. Give me it. I swear. The year is 2023 and I'm here with long hair that touches my butt. Not bad. Solid wig. What is next though? Let's open this one. Oh my gosh. Forget 2023, Hannah. We are jumping to 2057, Hannah. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, let me pull the sides back. I like this! Oh my god! So this is not super long or anything, but it is pretty curled up. So it's comfortable. It's actually very light, which I've had a lot of pretty heavy wigs, so this is really nice. For a second I was like, whoa, am I gonna like look like I'm 70? But this is dope. What do you guys think though? You guys make sure you're commenting down below like which wig is your favorite, because I want to know. Good job, Princesswig. I feel like a princess for sure. You know, I feel like I need a flower crown. Oh my god. Oh, this is it. Oh yeah, this is, yes. Good job. Good job, Princesswig. Good job, me. You know, I did a lot of the work here. What is next? Yeah. Oh, this is her. Guys, this is her. This is like smooth and not tangled at all. I don't know what it is. This one feels a little nicer than the other ones. Maybe they were just a little too sleek. You can always put some dry shampoo on them and it'll like take out the shine. But this one is like solid. It feels like very conditioned. It's like, oh, let's braid it. I'm feeling so good about this. Oh wow. I thought my life was perfect for a second, until I met this wig, and now I know. Hi, it's me. My name is Elsa. Let it go. Let it go. 10 out of 10. I'm feeling like a princess. Princesswig, you won. I'm never taking this off. That's it. Only call me Elsa. I'm changing all my usernames. And now for the final wig of the evening. Woo! I see pink. Oh, we like this. Okay. Okay, so this is probably the shortest wig that I have right now. Okay, this wig could either be really good or really bad on me. I'm not saying it's a bad wig. It feels like a really good wig, actually. This looks like a solid wig. Guys, look at this. Actually, genuinely, this wig alone, 10 out of 10. It feels really good. The ombre was done very nicely. The curls are perfect. This just looks perfect. Look at this. This is a perfect wig right now. I'm about to ruin it by putting it on my head right now, but you know what? We gotta do it. We gotta show you. I gotta show you how it works. Elsa no more. Elsa's going back to the hills right now. Oh no. Oh god. Oh no. Oh, You know what, honestly, I thought it was gonna look worse. This is not bad. I was really worried. I bet actually if I pin the sides down, oh, that's it. This is the look. These are the vibes. Look at how cute this wig is. Ooh, let's try it with a beanie. Let's be edgy. Oh, we are edgy here. Oh, we know her. Yes. Oh yeah. I don't know why. My expectations were very low here. Not bad. Oh, let's try this hat. This honestly looks so realistic. I always, for some reason, I would never go for short wigs because my thing about wigs is that they should be for fun. Wigs should not be worn as a crutch. So that is why I never thought about ever buying a shorter wig, because to me, fun for wigs are really long ones that are very dramatic. This is actually more fun right now than the very long wigs because this is so different. This is so different than what I would have thought. If you guys are watching right now and you never thought about getting a short wig, try getting a short wig because not bad. Oh, you know, it's just me, Hannah, chillin'. Me? Oh, you know me. Yes. Okay, you know what? Princesswig, good job. I give a solid round of applause to Princesswig. All of these were pretty dope, actually. You know what? That was good. That was a good one. For every single one of these wigs, there are links down below. Make sure to check them out now. I got a coupon code for 10% off that you guys can use. You know, I mean, use them. Just use it. That coupon code's not gonna do anything. Just, you know, sitting there. And now my hair is probably so messed up. Oh yeah. Oh no. If you are new, make sure to click subscribe down below. I do have other wig haul videos if you want to watch those. And maybe if wig hauls aren't your cup of tea, then that's fine, because I have other videos as well. I know, I prepare for everything. And that's it, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below your favorite wigs, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!